Vice President Sara Duterte says her office proposed a budget of 733 million pesos for next year, maintaining the current budget for 2025. In a press conference on Monday, June 16, Duterte says the Office of the Vice President is essentially keeping the same budget allocated for her office in 2025 because she believes seeking a higher amount will likely be denied.
Inaasahan ko naman na hindi ibibigay yung budget ng Office of the Vice President dahil nga hindi naman kami kaalyado ng administrasyon. At nakita na natin yon noong nakaraang taon na syempre kung hindi ka sumusunod, hindi ka kaalyado, ay hindi ka mabibigyan ng pondo para sa mga proyekto ng opisina mo.
Duterte says the decision to retain her office's budget also stems from her desire to prevent her staff from supposedly being humiliated during budget deliberations.
Kaya nagdesisyon ako na kung ano yung budget na ibinigay ngayong taon na ito ay yun din yung budget. Naglagay lang kami ng konti para sa inflation, yun din yung budget para sa susunod na taon dahil ayaw kong napapahiya at pinapahiya yung mga ibang personnel ng Office of the Vice President, lalong-lalo na kapag nandun na sila sa House of Representatives or sa Senate na nakaharap yung ating mga miyembro ng Kongreso.
Last year, the OVP's proposed budget for 2025 was cut down from about 2 billion pesos to 700 million pesos. House lawmakers decided to reduce the OVP's budget after Duterte repeatedly refused to directly answer their questions concerning the use of the public funds. Lawmakers also cited redundant and inefficient programs of the OVP. Duterte is facing an impeachment complaint where she is accused of misusing both the Department of Education and the OVP's funds.